Okay, first update repositories with sudo apt update your password. And now install Python, use sudo apt install Python 3. Python 3 is already the newest version, already installed. And how to install the libraries? First, search any library that you need. Sudo apt search. For example, Python 3 space pandas, for example. And this is the library. Data structures for relational or labeled data. Or for example, search numpy. Okay, and numpy is this. Python 3-numpy first arrive facility to the Python 3 language. Or search scipy. Scientific tools for Python 3. Python 3-scipy. Or for example, if you don't know the name, you can use a description. Sudo apt search Python 3, for example, machine learning. And machine learning is not the name of a library. The results you can use, for example, Keras deep learning framework, or use sklearn, Python modules for machine learning and data mining. Okay, very nice. And finally, to search any to search all modules, use sudo apt search Python 3 dash and press the for example the n and u, for example, all libraries that starts with NU, enter. Okay, and you can see num to words, convert numbers to words, num codecs, buffer compression and transformation codecs, and numpy, fast array facility, or any module that starts with mat. Enter, and you will see matplotlib, Python-based plotting system. Okay, and a style similar to MATLAB. Okay, and install all necessary modules. Sudo apt install Python 3-numpy, Python 3-sympy, Python 3-sklearn for machine learning, Python 3-pandas, Python 3-matplotlib for plotting. Okay, no space. And Python 3-scipy. For example, scipy. For example, use this basic library is for me. Enter. Yes, enter. Okay, and now enter to Python 3. Enter. And you can import pandas and the alias as PD, for example. Okay, success. Import sympy, for example, as I, as Y. Success. Import sklearn. Scale. Import matplotlib. Matplotlib as MP. Import scipy as C. Okay, very good. Quit. Thank you very much.